Hi, it's Peter, M0VTS. It's time to use LCWO Online to practice my callsign copying. So, logged into LCWO.net. Got this set up now. 16 words a minute, character speed with standard character spacing. Fixed speed, so it's not going to adjust up or down. So let's get going. Okay, there we go. Right, first of all, quite happy with that. Quite a mixture of call signs, two letters, a number, some more letters. Only missed 3 of them. So on that one, missed the number. Typed a 1 instead of a 2. This one's not very good. OG3, I think I was trying to overthink this. I'm not too familiar with the OG prefix. I thought I typed it, maybe read it wrong, and by that time I got the number wrong and got the call sign completely wrong. So maybe I should just type what I hear. This JA1JKG, got the JA1 OK, and the J, so missing a couple of letters. Again, not too bad. One thing I'm really happy with is there's a couple of call signs with 2 numbers, like this one, 9 alpha 4, and there's a 9 alpha 1. Quite happy I've got those 2. They're always tricky because when I've been copying numbers before, I've assumed that there aren't going to be any more numbers, and I think I now understand the 9 alpha prefix, and I know there's a number coming after 9A. In this case, a 1 and a 4. There could be others, but I'm starting to understand the call signs now as I copy them. So yeah, quite happy with that. Lots more practice. I'm going to try and do this 2, hopefully 3 times a day, every day. Keep plugging away. Hopefully by the end of this week I'll be able to up the speed a little bit, maybe 18, and just push it a bit further. Right, there we go. Thanks for watching. 7.3 from M0VTS.